Hi everybody, Blues Harp here, Blues Harp 59's channel where everything goes and can happen. I'm at the train buildings out in Bandana Square, Minnesota. This used to be a train station at one time. And they have some model trains I want to show you guys. So I'm going to go inside this place and try to get some footage for you guys. Alright, so if you ever get to Minnesota, go to Bandana Square. Pretty nice, all restored back to the original buildings, but they're all businesses now. So, alright. Trains on display. Look at that, guys. That is sweet, huh? Yeah. This is where you want to come and see, guys. Get kid play areas. Demonstration stuff. We're going to get to the goodies in a little bit here. Memorabilia throughout the place. Yeah, this is a train museum, guys. Old photographs. What y'all been waiting for. The layout. So detailed. Oh. Almost looks like you could go in here. Lots of hours involved in this setup. There we go. They have multiple trains running at once. Old classic ones. Switching yard back there. This is so nice. Yeah, you guys do a great job. Wow. All this stuff's replicated as the buildings were in downtown St. Paul, right?
Yes, and downtown Minneapolis.
Oh, okay.
This area is downtown Minneapolis.
Right here, the right side here?
Yep.
Okay, so then the other side would be St. Paul.
Yes, that's the rail yards around St. Paul.
Oh yeah, cool. All right, thank you.
You bet.
Even the people out here standing there, old cars. Wow. This is nice.
Yes. It's a circus.
Very fancy. Very fancy. We got a train in the back. There he goes. I hear another train coming. There she goes around the corner. There we go. Hey guys, Mickey's Diner. Gave you guys a tour. I know it's a long video, but it's well worth it. Another train going into the mountain. Tunnels. You've got water here. Demonstrate how these guys are very talented. What they do here. It is called Bandana Square Train Museum. And they also take donations. Visitors are charged a little bit of fee to get in here. I think it's $6 to get in. It's well worth it. And they gave me permission to film. There's another train going by. Meticulous work into making this setup is insane. Another train. Another one going. Okay, there you go. We're gonna head to the other side of the mountain here. The work involved is amazing. I just cannot get over this. These guys do. There's probably about 6 or 10 trains running at once here. The grain elevators. Everything looks so authentic, so real. So very real looking. Trestles. The action out there, passenger train. Yeah, look at that, huh? This layout, you guys, is huge. It's probably about 100 feet maybe by 75 feet. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my video of the Bandana Square Train Museum. These guys are volunteers. They run this place 24 or every day it's open for people to come by and look. Alright y'all, have a good one. Blues Harp 59's channel. And please watch my older videos and subscribe if you can. Greatly appreciated. Y'all have a nice YouTube experience. Goodbye.